Look at my eyes. So focused. What do they see? A cat robbing on a building, jumping around. I watch with my eyes. I smell with my nose. What do I smell? Cats everywhere, walking freely in the warm sun. I'm trapped behind these bars. Listen to my yips. They play. They taunt me. These evil creatures. And I can do nothing but watch. Hidden in these shadows of the porch. Across the street, look who it is. A cat, of course. I watch him from here. What's this? Someone's watching me. I see you watching me. I know your tricks. I see you. Another cat. Another cat. Another cat. And me on the porch, alone, trapped behind these bars. What have I done? What did I ever do to deserve this?